my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, the solo artist week has come to an end, but it's okay, I'm going to redo that again. So it's been so much fun reacting to K-pop idols solo stuff who are independent artists as well as who already belong to a K-pop group. So I am ending today's special week by reacting to Jungkook, my baby brother, my cutie pie brother. Jungkook's song "Still With You." This is this has been requested by ARMYs for a very long time, So I thought, this is a good opportunity to react to this song, and I'm going to be reacting to the lyric video because there is no MV for this, and I don't know the context of the song. Was this released like separately? What is the story behind this song, or is it belonging to some album that I do not know of? Do let me know, because now I know that BTS releases, like the artists release different songs also, like how Taeyang has done with Snowflower, or Jimin with the Christmas specials, or how Jin did with Abyss. So is it like, did he release this song on his birthday, or what is it? Do let me know, guys. Do let me know, ARMYs. All right. So yes, let's react to "Still With You" lyric video. All right. Next week, I'm thinking compilation. Tomorrow onwards, compilation week. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think compilations only. I want to have a good laugh. So funny compilation or serious compilation, any compilation would do. So do share in your suggestions. All right, let's start and react to my baby brother.
날 스치는 그대의 옅은 그 목소리 내 이름을 한 번만 더 불러주세요 알아버린 너의 나를 멈춰서 있지만 그대 향해
I like how this starts with a muffled voice. Sound of, I don't know, maybe it's rain at the background, the sound effect.
어두운 밤 조명 하나 없이 익숙해지면 안 되는데 그게 또 익숙해 마지막이 들리는 이 에어컨 소리 이거라도 없으면 I
don't know what happened. I don't know what happened suddenly. Did he write this song? Did Jungkook write this song? And did he compose it? Is it completely his composition? Do let me know. I absolutely have no idea. I'm clueless about this song. Oh wow. His vocals are amazing. What this song is giving me the feeling of? This song sounds like the sounds like an original soundtrack for a series or a movie maybe. This really is giving me the OST feeling. Yeah. And it has such an old school vibe which I like.
함께 울고 있는 것 같아서 언젠가
I hope the meaning is correct because a lot of you tell me that sometimes they misinterpret, the subtitles or the English subtitles, the lyric video. They are not always correct and get the right essence. So I'm hoping this is correct.
아침이 오는 걸 알면서도 별처럼 놓여 하늘에 머물고 싶어서
Beautiful vocals.
하루를 그 순간을 이렇게 될 걸 알았다면 더 담아뒀을 텐데
Wow.
언제쯤일까 다시 그때 마주한다면 눈을 보고 말할래요 보고 싶었어요 황홀했던 기억 속에 내 홀로
Even if I dance along, the rain still pours. Maybe that's why he kept the rain. I don't know, the rain sound in the background. And this guy has just an amazing vocal range. Amazing vocal range. The way he can sort of his sound variations are beautiful and they are so crisp and clear. You can really understand when they are, when he is sort of changing his notes. A very subtle change also is so clearly audible. That's really amazing, and that takes a lot of practice. I don't know how many. I mean, all these people, all the artists, singers, they practice for hours and hours. The riyaz, what we call, they do the riyaz. His vocal range is just amazing. Amazing.
비가 내리잖아 이 안개가 걷을 때쯤 젖은 발로 달려갈게 그때 날 잡아줘
Has such an old school feeling. I don't know why. When he does these things, the and ooh and those are just next level again. I mean, listen to My Time from Map of the Soul. The way he has flexed his vocals there, Jungkook, just amazing. If I have to introduce somebody to Jungkook's vocals, I'm just going to ask them, to listen to My Time from Map of the Soul 7. That's where the vocals have just shined like anything. Jungkook's vocals really shined in that. Now the Woo! My brother is awesome. Grab a partner and start dancing. This muffled sound. I just wanted to rain, like, hard rain. It should just pour and I should just have like a warm cup of, no, not warm. Let me have a cup of tea, a hot tea and pakode. If I don't have a partner, I'll just listen to this song while enjoying pakoras. Otherwise, I'll just do a slow dance with my partner. Thank you, Cookie, my bro, for giving us this song. I'm gonna listen to that part again. Why? Because he's my brother. Woo! Again. Armies, forgive me. love how it started and how it ended with that muffled sound. Oh wow. Wow. Just wow. This is a song which is this is a song which it needs to rain and I need to blast this song. Let me just stop this first. Oh my god. If this is a solo this thing, then I'm sure you guys tell me now, like their solo stuff which they independently produce, it's not there, it's never there on Spotify, it's there on SoundCloud. So I'm guessing this is there on SoundCloud, but okay. This is a song which has to be listened when you're alone. I don't know why. Yes, I told you like a while back, grab a partner, but generally, I don't know. I want to be alone with this song. I just want to be alone with this song to enjoy it fully. His vocals are so beautiful. So beautiful. His vocal range is something else. Something else. I absolutely loved it. Thank you so much, Armies, for asking me to react to this song. Do let me know when it released. Let me see when this is uploaded. 2020? New song? This is a new song? This got uploaded in June 4, 2020, and I know the lyric videos usually get uploaded near the release date of the song. Oh my god. So this got uploaded when after few days only I started my channel. I was so unaware of them at that point of time. Oh my god. Sorry, Cookie, my brother. I'm sorry. I didn't know about this. This was beautiful. I loved it. Absolutely brilliant. At this point, I know what is his vocal range, so it really doesn't surprise me. But it just makes me happy whenever I listen to him. It just makes me happy. So yeah, guys, that was my reaction for Jungkook's Still With You. I hope you enjoyed this, Armies. Do suggest me compilation stuff, because I'm gonna start that now soon. And yes, do subscribe to the channel if you are a K-pop lover, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.